May ganun eh. Grabe naman ang panahon na yan.
Yes. Binimika, ready ka na ba sa iyong question? Ako, napakahirap nito. From Jeremy Velasquez. Siyempre, may mga natry kayo new food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya nang paulit yung nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I thank you.
Wow! Pasado.
Pasado, kaya hindi rin siguro nakalimutan kasi $80. Napaulit-ulit na iniisip. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here for Feeding Mika.